What's up, guys? So, today, it's going to be a little different than what I thought. Initially, I thought I was going to be cleaning up the chain, lubing the chain, and all that. But I got something different. So, I came into possession, in a manner of ways, a set of fairings. They are not pretty, but they're prettier than what I had. They're not perfect, they're scratched up. Looks like it had come off of somebody's learner bike. They're not great condition, but as you can see, they are at least factory colors. Now you can see, like here, there's some road rash. Here's the rest of them over here. As you can see, they're scuffed up a little bit. They got some scratches here and there, but it's a start. I'm still going to buy new fairings for the bike. But my primary concern right now is getting the bike on the road, and I think I may actually have enough parts to do that. Provided I have all the bolts. That seems to be the million-dollar thing right now, is I'm hunting down bolts to use to get this thing back going. So I may have to order a bolt kit. But today what I'm going to do is I'm going to get as much of the fairings put back on as I can, and we're going to rock and roll from there. So I've already started. I'm going to be taking off these fairings here that I was using for fitment test. I can't talk today, sorry. And I'm going to start putting these back on. Well, I'm not going to record all of that because it's going to be a lot of trial and error. But as soon as I get everything put together, I'm going to bring y'all in. And we're going to talk about some things. And I'll record interesting points as we come along. So hang on for just a moment. Well, I'm definitely finding that I do not have all the bolts and nuts that I need to put this damn thing together. Okay, so I can't find the nuts. But what I do have is zip ties. That's right, we're going to zip tie it. And some of the less common areas. Like under here, I got missing bolts here and here. I'm going to buy a bolt kit for this when I order the fairings that are going to stay on the bike. But I just want to get the damn thing on the road and test drive it and see what I can do with this damn thing. So it's getting zip tied. So let me get to that. It ain't pretty, but it's good enough for radio. So yeah, I got them zip tied. You know what? That's me not giving a damn. I am so fed up with this damn motorcycle and this bullshit that I just want to get to the point where I can enjoy it just a little bit. So we gonna make this happen. Alright guys, a little sneak peek at what I've got going so far is I've got the rear put back together. It is done. Along with some zip ties and a little finesse, we managed to get her done. So this section here has got some cracks in it that's broken up in here. The seat I got from the deal that where I got all these broken fairings. It's actually good to go. I also got another seat if I need it, but this is the original seat. I'm going to use it for the time being. The mirrors are meh. They'll probably get replaced with bar ends at some point after I get some block off plates. But for the time being, they are going to work. So, you know, that part got knocked out. But so far, so good. Nothing too crazy. Yeah, so I'm going to continue working and we'll get to the next part. Well, alright. It's been a few days since I've been in the shop. It's been actually about a week or so. Just haven't had any time to get over here. I had work the weekend and it's been crazy. But hopefully today we're going to get the rest of these fairings on this bike and we're going to see what we got to work with here. Yoo-hoo brake. Fun fact, I actually emailed Dr. Pepper Schnapple, who owns Yoo-hoo, see what I need to do to use their trademark on the bike. I'm seriously considering if when I buy brand new fairings, making it a Yoo-hoo bike. So, I don't know, maybe. We'll see. So my other camera died. I've got a backup camera I'm using right now. It's actually my wife's camera. So I don't know how good the quality is on it, but we're gonna run it to close the video up. So here she is. I've got everything put back on her that I can. Turn signals work. Got mirrors, front fenders on. Most of the bolts are in. Some things are zip tied. Chain's been adjusted, rear wheel aligned. Get that out. And that's it. It's roadworthy. I'm hoping. I gotta make sure. There's a few things I'm gonna check. The fluids. It needs an oil change. I may just take it to the dealership and let them do it, mainly because I kind of want them to give it an inspection while we're at it. It may be a little while before this bike actually sees the street. Probably not till after Christmas. Mainly because I've got a lot going on right now. I may not have time to get my helmet set up because I don't even have a helmet. Well, I have a helmet, but it's a throwaway. It's a backup helmet, so I pay like $35 for it. I may use it, I may not. I don't know. But anyway, guys, that's what we got for this week.